Ladies and gentlemen, this is the raspberry lime margarita. Okay, raspberries in our glass. Muddle, 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 muddle. I like muddling raspberries. You get this nice little cool little paste. Ice in our glass, followed up with some tequila, a little bit of triple sec, a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon and lime juice. We going both ways, okay? We got your citrus covered. Hoo, hoo, hoo. All right. A little bit of raspberry liqueur. We're using Chambord there, but you don't have to use that. You could use razzmatazz or anything. No one's paying us, so use what you want to use, okay? Lime slice and salt, okay? Get a nice rim going there. All right, fill our glass with ice, pour in our delicious mix, and it is awesome. Let us garnish with a lime slice. And you see the little sign there, drink responsibly, right? Always drink responsibly. You don't need to get wasted, homeboy. You just need to have some fun. Drop in some raspberries to sexify. So for all your margarita needs, who's that, Rihanna? I'm sorry, that's Brittany. They have the same forehead. Anyway, stay tipsy, drink responsibly.